Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. I know that you guys love these videos and I am bringing more out to you. Before we look at the actual product of what we're going to review and test and tutorial, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video, the products, the content, anything that you like in this video, maybe the advice, then please definitely give the video a massive thumbs up, because it tells me that you like it. I know that you want to see this content, maybe from this brand, or maybe more from other brands, or where I actually get this from. So definitely give it a massive thumbs up. If you are new here, I would love if you could come and subscribe to tazwells12. You can sign up to YouTube for absolutely free, then subscribe to tazwells12 for absolutely free by hitting the main button on my main page, and you can join the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go alongside. Absolutely love it if you could come and subscribe. Comment down below and comment anything you like. If you dislike the product, if you like the product, you've tried it out before, you use it all the time, comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you every single time and like your comment. Check out my other social medias, which is one on Twitter, 2 on Instagram, which is tazwells12, which is my main account, and tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Like, check, follow out whatever you like to do, please. That would be absolutely grateful. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. It's just an advice video for you guys, a tutorial for you guys, a review for the product for you guys. That is literally all this video is, and it's not sponsored by any of the brands. This is all out of my own money. But now we will get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is, try and give you a good look at what it is. This product is from Poundland. I bought this product from Poundland, so it's an absolutely cheap product. And why I also bought it, it's actually from Maybelline. So this is Maybelline New York. This is the BROWDRAMA Pomade Crayon. Colour and Fix Brow Crayon, and I got it in dark brown. I would not normally go for a dark brown. I normally would go for a blonde, but I don't think they had blonde at the time, and sometimes I do like changing up and going for dark brown. I'm a little bit scared when we're going to use this product, because I normally use a pot of pomade with a brush, and I might get a brush to like blend this in a little bit, because I don't normally use a crayon. Just not my normal thing. I can see why people do, because it's just easy going. But what I might do in this video is actually use the crayon on its own one side, and then use the crayon again, but then blend it in with a brush, and we can see the big difference, because you might get a better sort of blend on both of them. That's the video today. Just gonna clip my fringe up and grab a brush, and we will get into the testing tutorial video. I also just want to mention really quickly that I have actually got foundation on my face already, and I've also got powder. So what I would normally do in my normal routine is do my eyes first and then my foundation, and then before I powder my face, I would do my eyebrows. But obviously that's going to be a little bit different today, so that would be a good testing tutorial to see if it actually works on quick easy use, maybe on foundation and powder, because it might cog it up. If it does, then I will probably wipe off some foundation and we can try it again. We'll just see how it goes, because products are all different, how they've got to be used and how we can use them. Let's get on with it, and we will open this. So it hasn't been used, literally it's brand new, and we're just gonna go. So what I think is probably best is maybe using, just thinking, maybe using the pencil on this side, because you can obviously see where my one brow is thicker and darker than the other, and this one's not too bad. What might do is we use this thing on this one, because then we can fill it in a little bit more, and then we can use the other one with a brush. I don't actually know how to start this because this feels really weird that I'm literally putting it on, so I'm gonna have to be really careful with my hand. So I'll come in as close as I can, because I don't know how this is physically gonna work. Like, I'm just gonna do some brush strokes. I think that's kind of the easy way. I think that's working. Oh yeah, it's not too bad. Pigment's coming out, which is good, but I am literally using a very light hand. You can see me like stroking my eyebrow. It can be cleaned up. It's not that, it's just I don't want to make a massive mistake. That makes sense. Got a bit of a sparse area there. That's a bit better. The thing I don't like about this is I can't get really defined in. Really, really nice actually. It doesn't look too... Oh, it looks a bit... Oh, actually, we're going to need a brush, I think. Looks far away, looks alright, but when you come close... Oh, yeah, that doesn't look good, does it? Okay, we'll keep going. So I would say I've filled in this brow. Like, you don't need to use a lot, literally, it's the tiniest little bits. Right, so far away, that looks good. It's matching this one a lot more now. But when I come close, you can see it's very, like, it looks a bit pixelated. I've used quite a bit of product, as you can see. Okay, we'll leave that one and then we'll do this one, and then we'll see what the differences make, because I'm going to use a brush with this one. I'm going to do the same sort of application but use a brush. So again, really tiny stroke marks. Probably won't use as much product because we're not sort of doing it the same, if that makes sense. So I think that'll be about it. Maybe just a little bit more tail. That's it. The brush I'm going to use with this side is this Barry M one. I've had this for yonks. But this is the one I use with my pomades, and then I've got another one that I use with powders. So we're just going to use this, and it should hopefully like define it a lot more in, because it should pick up the product. Yeah, it's picking up the product, so I've kind of made that into a square now. But I love using the brush because you can define it. That's gone really, really dark. Wow. Just define it a little bit more. Can kind of get the angles with a brush, I feel. This is why I normally don't go for a dark brown, because you can see the difference. It's made my brow really, really dark. But can you see the difference that this looks pixelated and then this looks a bit more defined? So we're just going to brush this one in. There's a little bit more product on this one, but it's working like really well with the foundation and the powder, which I'm really impressed about. I don't know what's happened with my brows, because I literally put like, maybe I didn't put enough product on here. Maybe we need to put a little bit more, Just weird because normally I don't really want it massively dark. It's good to sort of get the defined lines if you feel like you have gone over a little bit. Now I feel like I've lost a bit. Yeah, I've got like a sparse area here. Right. Okay. I don't know what to think. I don't generally know what to think. Because at the moment, I feel like my brows are two different sort of sets at the moment. Okay, I'm going to put my hair down and then we will give a verdict of this. Right, we're back. I've got my fringe down and I still don't know what verdict to give this. I'm gonna hate, like, do you know what I mean? I'm gonna probably be a little bit honest here because some products I can like a little bit and really like and probably get on with them and use them, but I think this is gonna be a verdict of, it's not even an in-between. Why I've done that? Because I'm really gutted because I really love Maybelline products. It's my own fault I brought in a dark brown. I don't really go for a dark brown. Even though my hair is brunette, I just think it makes my eyebrows like really thick and I don't really like that. I love looking like sleek eyebrows, but I don't like looking like this. I just don't. I don't think even I could sort this out with powder. That's why I'm not even gone in with that, because I don't generally think I could sort it out with like a creamy powder. I think it's just not working for me. It's a really good idea if people can use it like quick on the go, or if they can actually use this. But what I found is, because I've got two consistencies on my brows, and also because I put this one on first and then let it settle, I think it's like separated, because that's what I was trying to show you, what is easy on the go. Because obviously if you just want to get this out, whack it on, that it wasn't going to happen. You obviously needed to blend it, because I left it to dry a little bit and then realised that you needed to blend it with a brush. It's not worked. I don't feel it's worked. Like, this side is a bit more flawless. Like, if they both went like this, I think I would have put it on the cusp, like a medium. But because this has all happened, you know that you have to work quickly with this product. So that's why I've kind of put it as a thumbs down. And I think I might give this to my mum. I think she might be able to use this if you put it on quick and then blend it with a brush. I think she would absolutely love this. I think it would work really well for her. But me, I don't think it's worked really well. I think you've either got to put it on quick and blend it in quick, or if you are literally not going to do that, I think you're going to have a big massive problem. So my verdict, unfortunately, is I'm going to give it away, because that's how my verdicts work. So if I like it, I keep it. If it's in the cusp in the middle, I will either use it for a video, or I will just keep it, yeah, for a video and use it that way. If I really don't like it, I give it away. Give it away. There's no point in me having it. I've tried it. It didn't work for me. It's not going to work again. So there's no point in me keeping this. So this will definitely be going. Don't really like this. My verdict on this product. We have unfortunately come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the Maybelline New York Brow Drama Pomade Crayon, the Colour and Fix Brow Crayon in dark brown. That And my verdict has unfortunately come to a thumbs down, so I will be giving it to a family member or getting rid of it. So unfortunately, yeah, this one didn't work out, but they're not all going to work out. Not everything is going to work for you, not everything you're going to like. So that is why I buy it out of Poundland, because I can use it, I can test it, see if it actually works for me, because a lot of these products that I've actually done on a testing tutorial video I've really loved, and I've actually put them in my makeup bag. So unfortunately this one didn't work, but if you like the video and you like the content, then please give the video a massive thumbs up, and then you know that we can do more of these, and they don't always work. So yeah, you know that. Give the video a like and then you can see a lot more. Subscribe to tazwells12 and join the love family and my YouTube journey as we're going along. You can absolutely do it for free on YouTube, and subscribe to tazwells12. So I'd love it if you join. Please comment down below and leave a comment on anything that you liked in this video. I will 100% comment back to you and like every comment. Please check out my other social medias, which is Twitter and 2 on Instagram. Check out, like, follow. Anything you'd like to do, please, that'd be great. The video is not sponsored by Maybelline or Poundland in any way, or any other brands I did mention. It is all out of my own money and my advice videos. That is the end. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then like I said, like, subscribe, whatever you'd like to do. Thank you for supporting me all the way through YouTube. I know a lot of you have joined, so that's absolutely great. I hope that you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.